Hello, welcome to RVB Education. In this video lesson, we are going to solve problem on equilibrium of rigid bodies, cylinder spheres in contact with surfaces. This is a problem statement. To solve this problem, we have knowledge of these topics. First, note down the given data. This is the given data. Now, look at the contact points where reactive forces are developed. Point A and C provide a horizontal wall reactions. Point B provide a vertical support reaction. Contact point D gives a contact reaction along the line joining the centers of the cylinder. Draw the free body diagram which shows the forces applied on cylinders. It includes its weight and the reactive forces from the surfaces it is resting against. Remember, reaction between two cylinders should be represented along the line joining their centers. Next, identify the inclined forces and use trigonometry to find its angle with the horizontal. To determine the angle of mutual contact reaction with respect to the horizontal, which acts along the line joining the centers of the two cylinders to form an hypotenuse, look here, of the right angle. The horizontal leg of this triangle is 0.4 meter, calculated as 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.3, and the vertical distance is obtained from the geometry. And using the trigonometry, the angle with respect to horizontal is calculated as 48.19 degree. Now draw the simplified force vector diagram of the same forces by moving all forces to the single origin point. It makes easier to solve the problems. Now select the cylinder with fewer forces acting on it, as it will be easier to analyze. Here, the cylinder 2 is subjected to 3 forces. Here, look at here. And cylinder 1 is subjected to 4. Therefore, we have to choose cylinder 2 for further calculation. Now using the Lami's principle, we can solve for the RC and RT. Let's do it step by step. These are the steps. Solve for the RC. We get the answer. RC is equal to 44.72 Newton. Then we can solve for RD. We get the answer 67.08 Newton. Next, using equilibrium conditions, we can determine the unknown forces. In this case, only two equations of equilibrium are required because no distances are involved and the system consists of concurrent forces. Hence, no moment equation is needed. Now, we will solve it by step. These are the summation of horizontal forces equal to 0. You can see here Ra minus the horizontal component of Rd force. By solving, we get Ra is equal to 44.72 Newton. Similarly, summation of vertical forces is equal to 0. By solving, we get Rb is equal to 99.99. It is approximately 100 Newton. These are the final answers. Now, take this problem for practice and drop the answers in the comment box. I hope this video lesson helped you to understand the concept. Subscribe to my channel for more lessons. Thank you.